Hey guys, welcome to Love for Kitchen. So today we are going to make cookies. The ingredients for this recipe are 120 grams maida, 75 grams margarine, room temperature, 65 grams powdered sugar, 2 pinch baking powder, 5 to 6 drops vanilla essence, milk as required. Now we will take a parat. In that we will add margarine. You can replace margarine with 100 grams butter or deshi ghee. Now we will add powdered sugar. Soften it with your fingers. After softening it, cream it very nicely with your fingers. If you will use a beater, it will melt your margarine. So make sure you use a whisk or use your fingers to do this. Cream it very nicely until it becomes fluffy. This step is very important and do it in one direction. If the weather is very hot and your margarine is melting, so keep ice in a bowl or any vessel and keep it under your parat and start creaming it until it's fluffy. Important tip to note, do not use your palm. If you will use your palm, then it will melt your margarine. Only use your fingers to do this step. After it's fluffy, add vanilla essence, baking powder and maida. Now combine it to form a dough. Do not knead the dough like you do with the dough of chapati. Use your hands to combine it. And if your dough is not combining, then add little milk at a time and keep combining it again. You repeat this process until you form a dough. I approximately used 1.5 tablespoon. It totally depends on the weather how much milk is required. After forming it into a dough, if you feel like your dough is loose, then cling wrap it or keep it in a polythene and keep it in a fridge for 15 minutes. It is not necessary to make the cookies immediately. You can cling wrap it or keep it in a polythene and keep it in the fridge and make it after one day. At this time you should preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Now you can see that the dough is ready. Now let's roll the cookies. For this you need chopped pistachio and cashew. Take a small amount of cookie, roll it in your hand. Take the quantity according to you. Roll it in your hand and flatten it. Give any shape you like. If you will make small cookies, then it will take less time, and if you will make big cookies, then it will make more time. Place it on the baking tray. Place it at a distance so that when it bigger in size, it does not stick to the sides. Add pistachio and cashew. Press it nicely inside the cookie so that it doesn't come out. Now you can also put choco chips. Take one portion, roll it, flatten it, and put choco chips. Now place your cookies in the oven and bake it at 160 degrees on both rods for 20 to 25 minutes. Everyone's OTG have different temperatures, so you can adjust the temperature of your oven according to you. Turn the tray when the cookies are half done, because the temperature of the oven at the back is high, so turn it. Keep your cookies white, do not red it. If you will red it, it will become hard. And your cookies are ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment below. Wish you all happy Diwali.